I got that money smile again. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back. Chuck's Daily Hustle. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all the social media platforms. Links are in the description below. And don't forget to smash that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with what I have going on, everybody. So, what I got going on right now, just a quick little run, man. I'm running out to the DMV real quick. I gotta bring some work jackets because we sold some cars, as y'all know. Well, you would know if you watched the vlog from yesterday. So make sure you watching these vlogs and staying up to date, y'all. But yes, I gotta do that. And then I got some more people hitting me right now for different cars. So I'm trying to get a head start on everything, get out to the lot. And if you can see, it is snowing right now, y'all. So it's snowing and I don't know how bad it's gonna get. So I'm trying to get it, like I said, get ahead of everything and figure out when the plow truck's gonna come out and actually do the parking lot, man, because I need to get the cars out the way so we can make sure that we don't get stuck again like we did last time. That would be no bueno. So anyways, let's get on this road, man. Let's try to get some money today. That would be dope if we have a 2-day consecutive sales streak. I would love that, man. See y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, I am at Chris's, man, and the 06 Dodge Grand Caravan is done. Got real lucky on it, man. So what ended up it being wrong with it is it just needed a headlight bulb, and then it also needed a what was the other thing? Oh, a coolant hose clamp. So it had a brand new hose that was connected to the radiator, and they didn't clamp it tight. So now we got to clamp it tight. I'm going to show you guys this car actually real quick. See, well, actually it's too tight in here, y'all. So I'm gonna show this to y'all once I get it to where it's got to go. I got to clean this joint off and then vacuum it out and everything. So let's get to the money. Let's get it. Well, on the way right back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but what we got right there, we got a battery light, man. So the battery light came on, which means that the alternator's bad. So that's crazy, man. Literally, as I was pulling off, my brother hits me up like, hey, I got a customer for you. She's got 15. She needs a van. I'm like, perfect. We in a van, right? Go clean it up real quick. So, you know, right when I sent her the pictures of the, I didn't know she needed just a van, so I sent her the Monte Carlo too. So I sent her the pictures of the Monte Carlo, and then I was getting ready to send her the pictures of this van, and then the dang light comes on. So now I'm turning right back. Gotta drop it off to Chris and have him put an alternator in later on this evening, and then hopefully this lady don't buy a car today. We can go ahead and sell this one. So I ain't tripping on it though. And before everybody starts commenting and saying stuff like, you know, negative stuff, sometimes I get that a little bit, but it's all good. It's no way in hell that he would have known that the alternator was going out, y'all. Sometimes things just go out, y'all. It's older cars, like, you know, we can't predict what is going to happen to these cars. And somebody put a comment on here below before, and they were like, that they're machines, you know what I'm saying? And there's no way that you can tell when a machine is going to go out, you know what I'm saying? And that's the God's honest truth. So it is what it is, man. I'm not tripping on it. You just take it with a grain of salt and then keep on moving and pushing, man. So right now, this is currently what the snow is doing to the roads, y'all. So I got to keep on moving and grooving, keep on pushing. And yeah, this just put me a day behind, but it's all good. I'm not tripping, man. It's snowing out anyway. Like, everything happens for a reason. But I'll see y'all in a second. Correct, y'all. So I have gotten the alternator right there. Cost me $40, so cool with that. Now I'm gonna drop this right back off, and then we're gonna go from there, man. So I just figured, why not? You know what I'm saying? That way I ain't gotta make 2 trips. I'm already in the area, so we are cool there, man. So, oh, also, man, sad day. I took the biggest loss of my career. The biggest loss, man, out of, let me see, about 8 years. I don't even know how many. Let me stop counting. All the years that I've been in business with both of my dealerships, I have not ever took a loss like I just took. And it's on the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder that you guys know has been around since like forever, man. Like, yeah, I let it go today. So I sold it at the auction for $7,000, man. $7,000. So I sold it, and they took their $230 fee from that, and now I just lost a lot of money. But it is what it is. I'm not tripping, man. It's a headache that's gone. Take that money, then flip that, and then I'll make that hopefully 2 times. You know what I'm saying? Because if you got money just sitting, it's not doing you anything. You're just losing money on it at that point. So it is what it is, man. Keep on. I am a little hurt by that. I ain't gonna lie to you. A little sad, but it's cool, man. So anyways, man, let's keep it moving, keep it grooving, and hopefully I'm not so sad on the next. Okay, y'all. So I am rolling right now. I'm actually in my Tahoe, and I'm on my way out to the office. So got somebody coming out from I forgot the city, but coming out 30 minutes away, man, from up north, and they are coming to check out what car are they checking out? The Acura TL, man. So they're getting ready to check out the 05 Acura TL. Update as well. The dude that came out yesterday said he wants to come out tomorrow and put the money down, but his dad wants to look at the car too, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I hate showing cars to people and their parents and their significant others, because at that point you basically got to sell them the car and the other person, even though the other person has nothing to do with buying the car. So any of my dealers out there, you can most definitely relate to that, man. But I don't care. I'm getting ready to show this car. I don't hold anything without money down. So we're gonna get to that, and then we hopping on the road. Monte Carlo person, people are just crazy, man. They just ask you for the address and then they never show up, they never respond, they just do too much. But it is what it is, man. Let's get on this road. Let's get these blue faces, man. That fast, y'all. As soon as I said that, dude replies back and said, hey, I can't make it. I didn't see the address until I passed the city we're in. That makes no sense at all. But it is what it is, man. I am going to keep y'all updated with what goes on, man. It seems like it's just going to be a lot of BS today. If something ends up happening, then I'm going to vlog again, show y'all what's happening. If not, then I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. We're just going to make this a 2-day vlog, and hopefully it gets a little bit more exciting tomorrow. See y'all when I see you. Okay, so no action, but gotta tell y'all this, man. So the dude with people just play around too much, man. Dude with the 05 Acura TL, now he's ready to buy. I don't know what that means. We're going to see, right? He asked me, is there any way that I can get him the Carfax, and any way I can pull up a service record, blah, blah, blah. We're talking about the 05 Acura TL that is a beater, you guys. Simple. You watched the vlog yesterday, you saw that it is a beater. I don't understand why people ask for Carfax for cars that are less than $3,000. That makes no sense to me at all. If I'm gonna ask for the Carfax, show me the Carfax for something that I'm actually spending a lot of money for, you know what I mean? Like, if it's gonna be a machine that I'm gonna operate, like me actually just basically driving it, and this dude wants to like super mod it up and then race it, like what does a Carfax matter, right? Whatever, that's just my opinion on it. But yesterday I did show him, I use NMVTIS, or another gem I'm dropping to you guys. It's a federal database that shows you like anything that car has been through, like accidents, titles, all that stuff states. If it's been in a Copart auto auction, it'll show up. An IEA, it will show up. All that stuff. So I don't think Carfax does that. Plus it's a lot cheaper. So anyways, I showed him that yesterday, so now he's asking about this. It's just like, it's a clean title, like the car is what it is. You drove it, it drove good. The engine, the train was solid. So whatever, man. So I sent him over the VIN number, and I told him you can run your own Carfax, because I'm not, why would I discount somebody a car just to get rid of it and then pay on top of that to run a Carfax? Like, people crazy, man. But whatever, man. Let's just get to it, and we'll see what happens, man. Just venting a little bit, because today I'm a little bit mad. See y'all in a minute. Good morning, y'all. Hope everything's going well with y'all. It's obviously a new day, and we are on the road, man, to get some blue faces. So I got 2 appointments set up for the 05 Acura TL. One is he's traveling an hour out, so he's the first guy. And then I got the guy with the 500 down and the Carfax and all that good stuff He set up 2 hours after that. So hopefully I can just go ahead and sell it to the first guy, and then we'll just be done with the car, and we can go from there. If worst come to worst, then we're gonna have to sell it to the other guy, but it is what it is. Let's see what happens. Let's get this money. Let's get it.
I'm up.
Okay, guys, we are at the famous lot, and we are getting ready to get the snow off of these cars, man. So, snow. I got to get the cars warmed up and everything. Update on the first dude with the Acura TL. He bringing me very, very close to the second appointment, but he's going to be 30 minutes late, which is going to put me in a time crunch. So I'm just going to have to figure it out. One thing I do try to do, man, when I do these appointments, that I don't try to put them too close to each other, because I don't want people coming out and then it being a bidding war and everything like that. So if you guys remember that one time where one dude came late and one dude came early, and then it just was like a big problem. So that's like the first time it happened, and I hope today ain't that day. But as far as my luck's been happening, it probably will be some drama, but let's see what happens. Let me get to it, man. First appointment is here. Let's get it. Okay, they are currently on a test drive, and that's that. They asked me to bring it to AutoZone, which is like 2 miles away, to have them put it on a code reader, but I told them no, because I have a code reader right here, and y'all can do it yourself, because they trying to cut it a little bit too close to to this other dude. Like I said, man, I'm trying to make sure that we don't have any problems. And a lot of people on here, a lot of dealers. Matter of fact, comment below, let me know what y'all would do. I just personally, man, I just hate dealing with multiple people for the same car at the same time. Like I said, I hate bidding wars. I know some dealers that just don't care. They'll just have people out there, and then they'll just be like, oh, it's sold, you know what I mean? And or they'll like tell you that it's still there, and then when you get out there, the car's not there, and it'll just be a headache, you know? So I'm not that type of guy. You comment below, let me know what type of guy you are and what you would do. But let's, hopefully they buy this car, and then we can just kind of keep on pushing throughout the day. But let's get it. I got that money smile again. All right, man. So the Acura sold, man. It's gone. Sold to the first dude. The second dude is heated, man. But it is what it is. He should have brought the money. I didn't have him come out. He actually did the same thing he did before, and he was on his way without confirming with me before he came. So I told him, and he basically had no choice but to understand. So it is what it is. Car is sold. I'm happy. Got the blue faces. I'm out of this car. Seems like I'm knocking all the ones that have been sitting around for a long time out, and that's perfectly fine with me. Like I told y'all before, I don't care if I make money on them old ones. They gotta go. We gotta move on to the next one so we can get some better inventory, and then we can keep it moving and grooving. So let's get it. I got an appointment confirmed for the Dodge Grand Caravan, the 06 Dodge Grand Caravan. So we got more stuff to do, y'all. I gotta go swap the Volkswagen out. That thing, something keeps draining that battery, man. So I took it off the market. I'm not finna sell a car like that. I'm gonna go swap that with the van, grab that, hit it here, clean that out, get that car sold, and go from there, man. So let's get it, let's go. Okay, y'all, so we are moving and grooving. So just got the oil change in the Monte Carlo. So just got the oil change. And yeah, I went to Valvoline, so be quiet. So I actually like the Valvoline out here, but they made a little mistake. They're supposed to put 111. Well, it should be 14895, but they put 14,000. So somebody run the Carfax on this, then odometer discrepancy, or whatever. But so anyways, man, so that happened, and then I just confirmed the appointment, man. So I got the appointment for the van set up for 3, and then I got the appointment for the Suburban at 2. So I'm trying to knock both of those out, and then we'll be straight. So it's gonna be a little bit of running. It's gonna be a little bit tight schedule too, because right now it's like 1:17. So I got to get back to the office. I got to vacuum out the van, make sure that's ready for the chick that's coming out at 3. And then obviously I got to show it. So I probably only have like 30 minutes. I'm right now waiting on me some Culvers, man, because your boy's hungry. So. Okay, man. So they didn't buy the Suburban. They had a couple more to look at, so they are going to go check those out. Basically just shopping around. It is what it is. I ain't tripping. I got that van cleaned out and everything. I just vacuumed it out, and I'll show y'all the final results on that real quick. If you guys gonna have to look at that, my other vlog, to see what it looked like before. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can with you guys, but as you know, I got appointments out of this world, and I am by myself. So here we are. So here's the final result on the back. Got all that dirt up out of the seats and everything. So everything seems to be pretty good. So I'm waiting on that chick to hit me up and let me know, man. So here's the dash. Got a check engine light on it, 194. Got the TV. I didn't even notice that, y'all. But I'm gonna go take pictures anyway of the car, because I got daylight out here, and you never know if somebody's gonna flake on you, if they're not gonna like the car, or whatever. So I'm not gonna even play around with them, man. So get this posted online, and then
Other money face.
All right, y'all. So the Caravan is gone, man. So that's 2 in 1 day out of there. So I'm happy with that. One less car I got to deal with. I might be going to the auction this week coming up. So I hope tomorrow is just as successful as today. All right. So I'm gonna repost my cars, see if I can get some more hits. We got a lot done, of course. My brother actually swapped out the Volkswagen with the van for me. I forgot to even tell y'all that. So that Volkswagen is now at Chris's, getting ready to get fixed. And then, yeah, we're still waiting on the Impala. I don't know if y'all forgot about it. I forgot about it. And then I am needing to get that 08 Ford Escape out to Mannheim, so that way we can get that thing on the chopping block. So a lot of that old stuff is like finally starting to go away. That Dodge Grand Caravan, that was a newer car, but that's dope. So that is going that fast. So it took me 7 days to flip that one, so I'm not gonna complain about it, and I'm really happy. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I am obviously in my car leaving the office, and yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for sticking with me, especially if you got this far. So this is a 2-day vlog, and you were with me, man. But I'm out. Peace.